Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Shomu's Biology. In this series of videos, we are going to utilize AI, artificial intelligence, to make and analyze our existing videos. For every session of CSIR NET Life Science, I already make videos on the most important topics for the upcoming CSIR NET Life Science examination. And if you are wondering what are the most important topic from individual units for the upcoming CSIR NET Life Science examination, then this video is going to help you. But this is a disclaimer that this video is made with AI because I already made 4 or 5 different videos on individual units. From all the other units, I compiled them with the help of the AI, and AI analyzed all of my videos and my strategies, and it put together as a summary for all of you. Under 7-8 minutes, you're going to get a crisp and to the point summary of the preparation of any individual topics of CSIR NET Life Science unit, be it unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. For all the 13 units, you will get this video series both in English as well as in Hindi. So just don't leave the video because it's made with AI. AI can do wonders. Don't think that a teacher, if he's using AI, that means the teacher is not doing its job. Teacher is obviously doing its job, but it's compiling them with the help of the AI to take it to the next level. And I bet that after going through this video, if you watch one of this video, you'll be hooked and you'll continue the series, and that is out there. Now, why I'm making this with the AI? Because I've already made it multiple times manually, and it does not make sense making the same video every single time. So I tried something new this time with the help of the AI. Watch, I believe you are going to like it. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you dislike, mention why you disliked. And if you like to get more content like this, also mention that in the comment section.
All right, let's talk about one of the most high-stakes, high-reward units for any CSIR NET Life Science aspirant. Unit 3, Molecular Biology. We're going to break down how to conquer this beast, not just by working hard, but by working smart. So, let's dive right in. You know that feeling? You open up the molecular biology syllabus, and it just looks like this endless ocean of information. It's overwhelming, right? Well, you're definitely not alone. The key isn't just about the hours you put in. It's about making sure every single hour is spent on the right things. And that's exactly what we're going to figure out together. So here's our game plan. First, we'll get a handle on the challenge itself. Then, we're going to decode that massive syllabus to find the most important areas. After that, we'll uncover the secrets of the exam pattern, lock in on the 5 absolute must-know topics, and finally, wrap it all up into a winning strategy you can use right away. Okay, first things first, let's get real about what we're up against. Unit 3 isn't just another topic, it's a huge part of this exam. The syllabus for molecular biology is, well, it's notoriously huge. It covers everything from the very basics of DNA replication all the way to super complex gene regulation. Because it's so big and carries so much weight in your final score, having a smart strategy isn't just a nice to have, it's absolutely essential if you want to succeed. So, how in the world do you tackle a syllabus this massive? Simple. You prioritize. See, not all topics are created equal when it comes to what actually shows up on the exam. Now this is where it gets really good. This slide cuts right through all the noise. Based on some serious expert analysis, these topics you see in green are your high-yield areas. We're talking DNA replication, and, pay attention to this, eukaryotic transcription, especially the initiation part. Also on this VIP list is RNA processing. You know, your 5' capping, 3' polyadenylation, and splicing, and of course, translation. This is where you need to spend the bulk of your time, period. Next up, we have our moderately important topics. This bucket includes things like DNA repair and gene regulation, and you can see prokaryotic transcription is even rated as less important, just because it doesn't pop up as often. Now, these topics are still important, for sure, but the strategy is crystal clear. Lock down those green-coded areas first, then move on to these. Okay, knowing what to study is half the battle, right? But to really get an edge, we have to understand how they're going to test you on it, and that's where digging into the exam pattern comes in. And just so you know, this isn't guesswork. The insights we're about to go over come from a deep analysis of the last 10 years of actual CSIR question papers. This is all about data-driven prep.
Just look at this breakdown. The questions from Unit 3 are split almost perfectly 50-50 between analytical and memory-based. So what does that mean for you? It means you have to have two skills firing on all cylinders. You need that deep conceptual understanding to solve tricky problems, but you also have to have those key facts, like which inhibitors stop translation, just locked and loaded in your memory.
And here's another layer to the strategy. The data consistently shows that Unit 3 gives you more questions in Part C. You know, the section with those longer, more analytical problems that are worth more points. You get fewer questions in Part B. This is huge. It means that getting really good at those deep problem-solving skills for this unit, well, that's your golden ticket to a much higher score.
All right, we've prioritized the syllabus, we've cracked the exam pattern. Now let's zero in on the absolute non-negotiables. This is your high-yield hit list. Here they are, the top 5 most critical topics you absolutely cannot afford to skip. Number 1, DNA replication. Number 2, translation, and make sure you cover both prokaryotes and eukaryotes, with a special eye on those initiation events. 3, prokaryotic gene regulation. 4, post-transcriptional modification. That's your splicing, capping, the whole shebang. And number 5, eukaryotic gene regulation, focusing on transcription initiation and the roles of activators and repressors. These 5 are your heavy hitters.
And hey, don't just take my word for it. This quote from the source analysis says it all. This is not just my word. You can always cross-check this by studying the last 10 years of CSIR papers. That's not just a statement. It's a challenge. It gives you the confidence that this focus is the real deal. So, we've covered the what, the how, and the why. Let's pull all of this together into a simple, actionable game plan that you can start using today.
Here it is, your winning strategy in 4 simple steps. 1. Master those green-coded, high-importance topics first before you touch anything else. 2. Balance your study time. You need to work on both deep, analytical thinking and straight-up memorization. 3. Train specifically for the tough analytical questions in Part C, because that's where the big points are. And finally, number 4, build your entire understanding of Unit 3 on the rock-solid foundation of those top 5 topics.
So there you have it. We've laid out the entire blueprint for success in one of the toughest units of the CSIR NET exam. The map is officially in your hands. Now the only question left to ask is your current study plan just about working hard, or is it finally strategic enough to win?
So I believe you got an overall detailed idea about how do you prepare this particular unit for the CSIR NET, upcoming CSIR NET Life Science examination preparation. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, colleagues, and subscribe to this channel. And also mention what necessary adjustment that we need to do to make more of this kind of videos. Should we make them? Should we not make them? And also, if you wish to join Shomu's Biology, because this video is actually made from 4 of my YouTube videos. I feed 4 of my existing YouTube videos and AI gave this output. So it is basically my own content. It is churned content of mine. So if you wish to get this content, if you want to get trained by me, get coached by me for CSIR NET Life Science examination preparation, then join our online coaching. The admission is going on. Contact the given number 9804654228. Visit our website www.shomusbiology.com or download our Shomu's Biology application from Google Play Store. You'll find all the course details in there. You can also buy our study material package, 5 books, 3,900 rupees, 5 books plus 64 GB recorded lecture content, 8,900 rupees, always from our website or directly from us by contacting 9804654228 number in WhatsApp. So mention your say in the comment section so that I get to know whether you liked it or not. See you there in the next video. Thank you. Bye.